Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Business by World. In today's video, we'll be discussing why the food business is so successful around the world, which countries are famous for their delicious food, and the most expensive and cheapest foods in the world. Food is an essential part of our lives, and the food industry is one of the largest industries globally. In recent years, the food industry has seen tremendous growth, and the reason behind this success is the increasing demand for food. People are always looking for new and unique flavors, and the food industry provides them with a wide range of options. Now let's move on to the second question. Which country is the most famous for delicious food? This is a tough question to answer because every country has its unique cuisine and flavors. However, some countries are famous for their food around the world. For example, Italy is known for its pasta, pizza, and gelato. France is famous for its pastries, cheese, and wine. India is renowned for its spicy curries and street food. Japan is known for its sushi, ramen, and tempura. Thailand is famous for its spicy and flavorful dishes like tom yum and pad thai. Moving on to the most expensive and cheapest foods in the world. The most expensive food in the world is the white truffle, which can cost up to $3,600 per pound. White truffles are rare, and they can only be found in certain parts of Italy. Another expensive food item is saffron, which can cost up to $5,000 per pound. Saffron is used as a flavoring agent in many dishes and is also used in medicines. On the other hand, the cheapest food in the world is rice, which is a staple food in many countries. In some countries, you can buy a kilogram of rice for less than $1. Another cheap food item is potatoes, which are widely available and can be cooked in many ways. In conclusion, the food industry is successful because of the increasing demand for food and the availability of a wide range of options. Every country has its unique cuisine, and some are famous worldwide for their delicious food. Finally, the most expensive food in the world is white truffles, while the cheapest food item is rice. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.